This drawing was almost a failure, and special thanks to Nixion for helping me correct the mistakes and complete the drawing. Make sure you guys check out his amazing channel after the video, link in the description below. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the first episode of the Vintage Europe Drawing Series. This episode will feature a Boeing 737-200 operated by British Airways. What's unique about this 737 is that it's painted in one of the very beautiful looking ethnic liveries implemented by British Airways in 1997. So real quick, let's take a look at the background of these beautiful British Airways ethnic liveries. So in 1997, British Airways wanted to do a rebrand and phase out their old Landor livery. And at the time, the Landor livery was thought to have a rather imperial design and thus were not appealing to international passengers visually. So in an effort to appeal to more international passengers and to change British Airways from a British airline to a world airline, British Airways has adopted the Chatham Dockyard livery in 1997 and has been using it up till now. Meanwhile, British Airways has also launched the Ethnic Livery program named Project Utopia to paint half of their fleet into the newly designed ethnic liveries. In total, British Airways has collected 50 pieces of art from many countries around the world to paint the tails of their aircrafts, in an effort to attract more international passengers and to boost their ticket sales. So there is just a simple background, and in case you want to hear the full story of the British Airways ethnic liveries, I've linked a very fantastic video made by Aviation 18 in the description below that tells you the whole entire story. And here, without further ado, let's get started with the drawing. Here, as I'm finishing the outline, let's take a deeper look at this 737 I'm drawing here. This particular 737-200 was registered as G-BKYB. She was delivered to British Airways in 1984 and has flown with British Airways for 16 years before being sold to 4 different airlines. After leaving the British Airways fleet in 2000, she'll continue to fly for another 13 years before retiring in 2013 at the age of 29. And in 1997, like many other British Airways planes, she was repainted into the blue Poole ethnic livery. This particular livery represents England and was derived from a dish and vase designed by artist Solly Tuffin. Overall, a total of 9 British Airways aircrafts have been painted into this particular tail design. And here, let's continue working and finish up this beautiful 737-200.
Three days later.
Here we go, guys, we're finally done with this beautiful British Airways 737-200, and I hope you like this drawing as much as I did. Anyways, before you step out, make sure you take a second to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss any episodes like this in the future. As always, this is XMother077, and I'll see you guys again in the next episode.